Live on KKFM, man. Vu Gandota. Here, man. It's the story. It's Wednesday evening, man, and it's a bit cold. It's a bit cold, but you're here, man. And interesting as always. It's another day. It's another Tula. You know the story. Yes, man. This is KKFM Vu Gandota. Today we're here on studio, man. Let's discuss with KK, man. We're having our beautiful. Someone said I should not say beautiful to other ladies anymore. Uma wami ngiyadlala. Yes, man, we're having our cool and Mzansi's number one, I can say, man, our superstar currently, man, and in the world of Itende, I can say, Namdluli. Vu Gandota.
Vu Gandota.
You know the story. How are you, man? How are you?
Ngiyaphila mfethu kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Namdluli, ungibani igama lakho, bro? We don't know your name.
Yes, First thing first, ngiyabonga mfethu for having me here.
Yeah.
It's an honor.
Yes.
Sayikhola inkosi ngakho konke. So,
Yo.
uNamdluli ke igama lakhe nguNonhlanhla. Wakwamdluli.
Yep.
Osindisiwe lo ithanza ke inkosi.
Hayi nakho ke. Yes.
Amen liyenzako.
Yeah.
So uNamdluli ke ligama elichamuke from my surname.
Okay.
So amaswati athi Namdluli,
Okay.
amaZulu athi Madlamini.
Oh.
So mina nguNamdluli.
Namdluli.
Yes. Igama kodwa ke nguNonhlanhla wakwamdluli.
Okamdluli sibongo. Oh.
Yes.
So if isibongo sakho uma umuntu wesifazane and then isibongo sakho if sifubiza isibongo sakho sithi na then
Yes.
simdluli.
Yebo.
Oh, are you Swati?
I'm a Swati.
Oh. That's dope, man. That's dope. Where are you from? Uvelaphi?
From Swaziland. Ngigcine kudala kodwa ekhaya ezinye izinto ngangibuzi kaligege ogodweni. That's where I come from.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke ngikhulele kakhulu ngapha eDaveyton.
Okay.
Ila ngikhulele khona izinkambo ongangibuza ngazo lezi. I'm here eDaveyton ngikhulele lana.
Yeah.
Akukho kunye nje.
Yeah.
Asike simangazayo ngikhulele lapha futhi.
That's Namdluli, man. You came to at Daveyton, you khulele khona.
Yes.
How old are you when you come to Switzerland?
Very young.
Very young.
Very young because ngikhulele ngapha ngizalelwe ngapha sekuthi vele ngizothi ngumswati ngoba vele uma ke ubuye eSwatini but obviously ke bethu ngowala mina angeke ngitshele into eningi.
Una passport?
Isipayile expirile kodwa yona ikhona.
Yini like ayiseke family eSwaziland and
ikhona yibo bathanza ukukhuphuka bezingapha.
Oh.
Yes. Most of the times yibo bezayo ngapha umalume usebenza ngapha eJohannesburg ngama truck. So obviously siyababona lebazalwane bayeza ngapha. Thina we hardly go that side.
Okay.
But ke sinokuya ngama Christmas mhlambe ngapha malume ayakhuphuka ngale. Samba na into enjalo nje.
Yeah. And man ukhulele eDaveyton umncane and that's where you went to school, that's where you into. What's your background, man? Do you have any siblings, any family?
Because I'm Namdluli ukhuliswa uma ke.
Uba uyephi nimenzeni?
Because ukhona baba Sithombeni. But now ngikhuliswa umama.
Go.
So sibabili kumama, I'm the first born. Kodwa ke kwangathi yimi last born because ngiqanda lika mama. But ukhona umntana sekhaya ke uye ongathi strong udlula mina. Yimi nje.
Uyazitefela wena.
Injalo kodwa ngithanda ukusho kodwa vele yazi enzakala.
Awu.
So sibabili kumama, ukhuliswa umama. Nginayo mamncane ekhaya nje sihlala siba u5. Yes, we are a family of 5.
Okay.
Siyakholwa.
Nonke nakholwa.
Inshallah.
That's dope, man. That's dope. And this is Namdluli. The reason why we're having Namdluli, maybe you're asking yourself, who's this and why did KKFM decide to have her on studio? she's a gospel singer, man, or gospel minister, or a gospel artist. All those three in one. And obviously, we know you of your powerful ministry. Iqale iphi le nto mfethu? Obvious, that's a famous question. You expected it, hey?
Iqale.
Yeah.
Iqale Sunday school.
Oh.
Yeah, iqale Sunday school
kakhulu
enkonzweni.
Oh.
Yeah, nase crash bengihlabelela.
Yeah.
Because ugogo wami ke beka khona la sebenza khona ecrash ngifunda khona.
Yeah.
Then when it's time for prayer, morning prayer, bengizohlabelela nje uNkulunkulu uthando lwakho, and then we pray, we eat.
Yeah.
Enkonzweni ubani onengoma Sunday school nginengoma ngakhula kanjalo bantu abasha hayibo ngangena ethimini hayibo uyacula ugele uyahlabelela ugele kanjalo ngakhula naye kodwa ke into engiyibonga kakhulu umndeni wami because bengulo muntu lo hlabelelayo but angazithembi hlabelela namdlula ngihlabelela kodwa ngithi yo ngithule because anginalento ethi angenzanga kahle but umndeni wami will always be like wow uyahlabelela uyabona nawe uzothi yo ayikuthi ngishayile ke uyahlabelela. Then every time I would like to showcase myself, bro.
Yourself, yeah.
Ngihlabelele so that ngizothola lawo mazwi lawo, and then yaqala kanjalo kwavuka namdluli bengabi no Facebook ngabuza mamncane kenziwa njani la ngibhala ukuthini la wathi bhala ukuthi unamdluli ngathi namdluli la hlala kanjalo
ya so igama lamdluli la kanamdluli it was started by you, not anyone else. And then walbhala ku Facebook
namdluli kanjalo umuntu nje wathi namdluli.
So you created Facebook for since they said you uyakwazi ucula, and that's the reason why you created Facebook.
Yes, I created Facebook because maningi ama video laphana kodwa ngisayi-own le.
You must go look for it, man.
Maningi la Facebook because ngingenza ama duet ngihlabelele kakhulu sicala nge-acapella ngikwazi ukukhuluma nge-duet because TikTok into yamanje i-acapella la ufaka i-soprano, i-alto, i-tenor, and then you lead.
Yes.
Ngaqala njalo ngahlabelela lo ngiposta.
How old are you when you had your first account on Facebook?
Nkosi yami benga grade 10.
10
or 9.
Serious?
Yeah, 10 or 9.
Ne?
Because bengekho kwi-media ekhaya phone umncane. Isikolo.
That's when you had Antwela, and therefore you aqhubeka ucula enkonzweni. And which church were you fellowshipping to?
Bengikhonza Back to God.
Okay, right.
Ugogo wayesisa khona. Then
are you still there?
No, I'm no longer there.
Why?
Kuningi okwenzakalayo Nkosi yami, kuningi okwenzakalayo. Kodwa ke ngisabathanda kakhulu because ivangeli abangifaka lona noma bangifundisa lona noma engakhulela phansi kwalo linamandla kakhulu. How I wish I can go back.
Hayibo yini manje wayehluleka?
No hayi ukuthi ngiyahluleka but ngiyabathanda.
Okay.
Because zinhle kakhulu imfundiso ezilaphayana and ziyamgcina umuntu omusha. Angisho ukuthi amanye amabandla awekho mahle kodwa laphayana esontweni la kuhle kakhulu esikufundayo njengabantu abasha.
Yes. And like when you came to a studio, man, everyone was like, yo. Wazofaneleka bo. This is so nice, man. Looks nice on you, man. And you know you are uyazithungele. What's happening? What's up?
No, angizithungele Nkosi yami. Today ngigcoke iSimakade fashion design from eThekwini. Ngithungele uSimangele.
How. So we brand ambassador manje.
Ngiyaqoqela ngigqokisiwe ngilana nje but this is the wardrobe for tonight. This is what you're going to wear
tonight. Yeah. And this looks nice, man. This looks nice. So you're a brand ambassador, yabo, or you bought it?
I'm a brand ambassador, Yes. So siyayithengisa.
Okay.
Iyatholakala. You just have to contact me and then mina ke ngizoyenza show ukuthi yakulingana. This dress ibizwa ngebubu dress.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. And then you we know you from Etulas, bro. Tulas is it Tulas MTV?
Yeah.
How did you get there? Let's start there. Because okay, let's start there. How did you get to Tulas?
Okay. So ngizothini vele Nkosi yami. Okay, uPutulas ngahlangana naye noma sathola na ku Facebook.
Oh, Tulas umuntu.
Yes, uThulas umuntu.
Oh, okay.
uPutulas.
Yeah. Oh, uPutulas.
Yes.
Yeah.
So sahlangana ku Facebook uPutulas was like mhlambe ngathi bekasuka eDurban as at this side ezoqala iThulas MTV or bese kayiqalile, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Wathi ke namdluli kunento engicalayo bengicela ukuthi uze sizoshutha. Then that's when ngajabula. Phela uPutulas mina ngimazi eJNF fashion
yeah.
Ngathi ubani? I'm definitely going. Ngajabula ngafast iviki lonke because we talked iviki like what next week is angazi yo I'm so happy. Ngayithanda zana ngathi whatever ezokwenzeka lapha because I knew ukuthi this is an opportunity omunye ayifisa
yes,
but wangithinta nami and then what
so were you aware of Tulas by that time? Why were you happy? Were you happy because it's Tulas?
I'm happy because it's Tulas.
Why was he big?
Very big.
Oh,
very big. Yo ukibonist abanye amakibonist abukela
kuyo
angazi ngizoyichaza kanjani because mina ngumuntu ohlabelelayo I would appreciate ukulalela uThulas now and then because he's very good.
So why did he ask you why you, man? There's a lot of singers. Did he explain why you?
Angazi. I really don't know, but ngicabanga nami umusa by that time. Because nami angazi ukuthi ngizothi ngangilo ngizipusha because people noticed me after bangibona kuThulas MTV.
Yes.
Who is that girl? Oh, Namdluli. So angazi ukuthi ngizothini, but Favor did that for me.
And then he called you to come and minister go Tulas MTV. How was it, man, when you get there? How was your first episode?
Maningi amakhati esiwenzile lapha because I'm not used to yabo. Cut.
Hey.
Qalela futhi. Relax. Ungayenza. Ngikhala angithulisa ngikhameka athi start afresh ngaze ngayenza into zonke nje into enizibonayo. Mina I'm so grateful. I would like to appreciate uPutulas. I appreciate you.
So kuna cut and paste lapha.
Cut and paste
yini vana kwenzakala nasikhatha
kuthiwa 3 2 1 that yo makaze ukuthi uqale wrong uzokuthi izokulimaza qala this way or before uqala akutshela ukuthi yenza sona so that kuzohamba into enamandla.
Yo
awuzenzela umathanda
akadlali njalo Tulas
awuzenzela umathanda.
So how would you say how was the experience with you being with Tulas? How was it?
The experience was good. Very good because ungikhulisile uPutulas ku music industry and ngingasho ngithi ngila ngikhona because of him. Yabo eloke nginika amathuba njengobani ozothi uzo showcase your talent and mina ngizokupusha. I'll make sure that you go high. Like come on, woza Namdluli yenza into yakho ngifike nami ngiyenza into yami ngithi nginengoma nje athi no you can sing it ngihlabelele njengobani ozothi come phela manje kuthiwa come bese bafune nokunye or benzo okunye because this music industry asikwazi kuyibalekela ukuthi khona bathatha ama advantage ukuthi akanakho phela lo akanama material. Now let's use that. Ngibonga lokho nje the experience was very good and konke kuhambe kahle bandla namanje ngiyayikholwa inkosi ukuthi sisazosebenzisana phambili.
Were you the first person that was called to come and minister kuThulas?
Because angazi yebo I'm not sure kodwa I'm one of the people abaqala bavela ku screen.
Okay.
iThulas angazi because mhlambe kade ikhona ithola MTV but mina ngafika angazi but I don't know angifuna ukuthi no because angeke wazi ukuthi uqale wafonela bani then wakhiphe yamiqala or wakhiphe yabanye iqala we don't know
there's a lot of you there Kutulas man are you guys having a relationship like everyone who's Kutulas MTV, are you all guys singing they're having a relationship outside music?
Like, do we communicate or?
Yes, are you friends or it's just people who come to studio and sing, then that's it?
We are not friends.
Okay.
But yes, sihlangane laphayana and because uPuthulasi ufuna ukwakha ini team.
Yes.
We are the team of Tulas MTV.
Oh,
because of that, we have to be friends. We have to make it work.
Oh.
You understand? Mina baningi abantu engizothi bengabazi but ngabazi ngoba uPuthulasi njenge group yabafana. Kune group yabafana. Kune group le yes, I did not know few of them.
Yes.
But now because of uPuthulasi, we are now a family.
Sesiyazana. And now you have a relationship outside Tulas and what? Phela siyanibona ku social media didla ama ice cream.
But siyabuma sidla ama ice cream because we are trying to get together. We are.
So you when you've met everyone that you've met go to MTV, no one like mhlambe othi uze go to MTV ngmazi.
What's in it?
No one that would say already being Maz mina umimi, already being Maz mina uNsindiso when we came to Kutulas MTV, or you just met them there.
Okay, wahamba nami kaPuthulasi bese ngimazi.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then I went with her kaPuthulasi and then I introduced her to
Wamplaga kahle kahle. Uplagiwe.
Yo, wait. Not Galendela, but I knew her and it was like was nothing fucking was and then sangena kanjalo and then uNongcebo naye bengimazi
yes
bengimazi kakhulu I think sikhe sahlangana kuNongcebo kwindumiso yetende and then uSiphamandla bengimazi abanye ngibazi after like sengibabona escreenini then I was like oh okay all right. Ubabuthabethe ngiyabazi bakhona engibaziyo khona ebengibazi but ngingabazi
okay
but ngenxa kaPuthulasi
would you say your career of music started Kutulas MTV?
Yebo
that's where everything started.
Yes, because ziningi mani wonke umuntu uzothile unamdluli
wakaThulas yes
wonke umuntu akusiza ukuthi ngizoyibalekela ukuthi hayi phela bengiculo mina Sunday no yonke into iqale kaThulas and wonke nomntwana omncane ilo sisi lo wakaThulas so yes I am a product of TV.
And proudly so, man.
Proudly so.
And how is it when you go outside publicly? Because everyone knows you from Tulas. When they meet you, how is it?
Good man.
People they banjabulela.
Yo bajabulela abantu. And mina ke ngumuntu onamahloni but mase ngibona abantu ngiyajabula hello guys still ukushootha siyashootha mara manje ish
ibe too much
no
and you got maphuma to people
no no angikho njalo bandla Nkosi abangivazela abantu nakuma comments guys you know me angiyenza into wrong
kodwa niyamangala ngibulala if manje hey mamdlule hey why mangala
it's all umusa mfethu phela like mawukhula ngeke awukazi cabanga ukuthi uzoba yilo umuntu ongakhipha ifone ajabulela ukuthi can we have yabo umusa wonke lo sometimes ngiba ngithi mara
you're trying to be humble as you can
ingifanele nalento ngingamlimazi lo mzalwane sengithanda kangaka and then like
uzomlimaza nawe wenzani
No, mhlawumbe like ngifuna ukum-accommodate ngandlela zonke. Angisho uzofika ejabulile, angifuni kuba ngathi manje nginjanjani. Ngifuna ukumnika yonke into ayifisayo.
Yeah. Does it affect your personal life? Like there's a certain way that you must behave. There's a certain way that you must live your life, simply because you have to make it for people who are watching you. Go to us.
No mfethu ayihlukanga.
Ne?
Ayihlukanga inkambo yami iyafana.
Ne?
Ngisekhaya nginje.
Yeah.
Ngisebantwini nginje.
Yeah.
Akufanele ngaphela kuhluke. Inkonzo iqala ekhaya. Why kufanele ngi-act ngaphandle? Inkonzo iqala ekhaya.
Yeah.
From ekhaya.
Ekhaya, yes.
So ekhaya nginjalo, ngaphandle nginjalo. Akunamunye unamdluli, akekho omunye unamdluli.
Yeah.
Uyiwani.
No, akusungomunye unamdluli, but now it became a norm that you live like this. And it started maybe because, okay, fine, now I'm Gingunamdluli. So there's a certain way that I need to live my life in order for me to keep that image. Ebantwini noma, yeah.
No, mfethu.
Ayikho njalo ne?
Angibona ukuthi khona into engangishintsha. Angishintsha ngandawo angazi. Noma ngiyakuzwa na yazi.
No, uyangizwa. Yeah,
akukho la kufanele ngishintshe khona because nginje. Nginje nje Nkosi yami. Ayikho umuntu namdlulo obuhlangane naye.
So what happens when you know that now we're going to shoot go to Las MTV. Today we're having a date. Today we're shooting a Volombanbani. What are the preparations on your side, personally, or on your side as an artist or as a minister who's going to minister there to the whole world or to the whole South Africa?
No, first thing first, mangizwa nje kuthiwa kuyashuthwa end of. Yo. Ngizophathwa isisu from that day until ngize ngiyophuma, because I understand ukuthi yonke into engiyoyenza lapha angisenzeli mina. Kufanele ngirepresente simakade lapha. Kufanele ngenze into uNkulunkulu afuna ukuthi ngiyishwe ebantwini. Then now ngiyatatazela, but I pray a lot for preparation, because umthandazo unamandla kakhulu. There's power in prayer, and then angeke ngikhohle ukufasta mfethu, because maningi amandla lapha na mfethu.
Ne? Akuthula fasting.
Yes, fasting. When you fast and pray, and then uNkulunkulu uyakuba nawe whatever, nanoma ungumuntu osabayo, but uNkulunkulu uyoba nawe kuko konke throughout. Then you are good. Ngifunda izwi, I pray, I fast, I prepare my soul and everything for people. Abazolalela ukuthi whenever they listen to me, kube khona something le nanoma mhlambe uhallelujah anything umuntu nomuntu, let there be something that I thathayo bese athi ngalela langa unamdluli ethi hallelujah or ehlabelela ingoma enje. I've heard something moving inside of me. And then kwenzeka something angikwazi ukuhlabelela kuthuleke kanjani angikwazi. There's something happening. Angikwazi nje ukuvele ngeke. No.
You are there at home, man. Namdluli, it's your role model and all that, and you're a singer, and you think you hear she spoke about prayer, she spoke about fasting, she spoke about all those. So meaning they form part of Namdluli. So if you wanna be like her band, you need to do those things, man. Would you say it's very important, eh?
Yeah, it's very important.
They play a big role. Yeah.
You can't. You can't. Let me just say this. You can't worship without praying. You can't worship without fasting. Kanye mfethu. Gathathu try it every day. UNkulunkulu uyakusiza, because when you pray, uNkulunkulu ngiyahluleka, but I want to do it. Ngicela ungisize, and then God will be there for you. Because you are leading people to God. How are you leading people to God when ungathandaza kuqala? Because fanele uthi uNkulunkulu, what do you have for your people this day? And then uNkulunkulu uyakusiza. As a worshipper, thandaza mntanse ekhaya.
Pray, man. Pray, man. And so now maybe someone is blessed by your song and whatnot. And now text Namdluli, please, on your next volume, what that you're shooting, can you please sing this song for me? Do you get such texts?
I do get them.
And then what do you do?
I respond and say ngizokwenza, but angizibhleni mina nengoma.
Okay.
but ke mangiyathula sifanele ngiziplanile yeah fanele wazi ukuthi ucula iphi ingoma ayikho lento ukuthi uzothi wena ngizovela ngiqhamuke ngizofika nayo from the but the more I pray and fast at home that's when I will get ingoma engiyoyihlabelela ngalela la ukuthi umuntu sekathe sekuzoba inhlanhla yakhe ukuthi uhambelane nentengi engengayithandaza kwafika
so kuyenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu art and then bese vele kwenze uNkulunkulu art and therefore you sing or
then kube ngathi vele uthe
kada kusuye
I've prayed about it
and bese kuba khona abanye ke and then you don't sing their song and what not
ngimtshela ngithi next time abalimali kakhulu because when you respond to them into emnandi ukuthi uthini kubo bangakhulumi bese uyathula nami ngihlabele ngoma liyabasebenzela be like okay mntansekhaya noted because ayikho into ozoyenza angihlala ne-equipment if ngihlala ne-equipment and
record
every day but now kunesikhathi and ngiyatshelwa and nami mase ngitsheliwe ngiyamtshela and then I have to ask him
speaking of that man uyatshelwa and all that Thulas MTV is it some do you have any agreement that you are Thulas MTV employees or when you're with Thulas MTV, this is what you need to do, this is what not you don't need to do and what not. Do you have any policy, do you have any contract that was signed by you Thulas MTV?
No.
Okay.
No contract is signed.
Okay.
And aga siqindezeli ngalutho.
Okay.
But Thulas kunamazo uthanda kwakhuluma athi I am helping people. Ngiyathanda ukusiza umuntu. If khona into engikwazi ukuyenza omunye athi ngiyabonga lokho kimsekwanele there's nothing engizothi akwazi ukuthi unyakaze because you are here you must focus kwa Thulas MTV no but unento ethi mina sengikwenzile kwami
so you didn't sign any contract and whatnot. So what happens with the because they're obvious on YouTube.
Yes.
And on YouTube we know that it pays at some point and whatnot.
All right.
Do you get any royalties or you get the fame?
No, we don't get anything.
Okay.
Yeah. Yazi leo anginaki kakhulu.
Yeah,
anginaki kakhulu because mina angazi ngoyichaza kahle.
No, khuluma
no anginaki kakhulu because indaba yamashumi mina I take it as uyangisiza kakhulu Thulas. Ziyadura lezi zinto azisebenzisayo for us to minister. Uyabo sisebenzise nje just nje for free
and get exposure and gigs.
We are getting booked mfethu umuntu athi ngiyakubooka and they akangeni lapho. We did not sign any contract. Okusho ukuthi there's no percent azoyithola ngale invitation engitholile manje mina ngilindela kanjani ngilindela kanjani ku YouTube okwakhe nje ngingena mina that's how I take it mina give me ngiyabonga nje cha because ngalokho ngithola ngapha ngithole ngapha ngimuhle nje
uthola ngapha hey yadlisa Thulas so man obviously okay fine, didn't sign anything, didn't agree on any rules, but each and every group it has its own thing. Have you ever had some disagreement with at some point?
Yeah, lokho kuyenzeka Nkosi yami because uyathetha uyathethisana umzali ngempela uyakuthethisa and then mina inhliziyo encane then mina ngiyakhala ngitshela umamami lento leyo but ke kukho konke nje vele siyafika isikhathi because angesihlele sivumelana ngako konke kodwa ke uyathethisa aphinde alungise silungisana thingathi alungise because uyathethisa kulungiswane kubuyiswane because vele kufanele kube khona into eyodwa esingavumelana ngayo kuze kuthi
have you ever took a break?
Yeah, I was not on the screen for some time because in last year, January, ucula nge-1 last year January. 2024.
Okay.
Makuvulwa then ngagcina lapho and then ngashootha ne-team sekuzophela unyaka.
Oh, okay. Yeah, last year. Yeah.
Sesizovala unyaka.
Yes.
Then I think this time I'm back.
Why were you gone?
Why was I gone?
Tell us the truth. Why were you gone?
Yeah, it's those moments.
Yeah, because what does it make you?
When I was standing up, but it's those moments where I was like, Nkulunkulu, I'm thirsty.
Okay.
Yeah, I am thirsty, and I'm thirsty for what? Angifuni ngebantwini kungena lutho.
Yeah.
Engiphethe.
Yeah.
Angisho ukuthi bese ngonile. No. Angonang.
Okay.
But I saw myself and I was like, ngidinga ukuthi ngibuyele kuNkulunkulu ngiyolanda amandla.
Okay.
Angilandi lento kodwa ngilanda amandla. I understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyancenga.
Yeah, oh yes.
uNkulunkulu uyancenga. Angeke wena njalo manje ufuna ukuloku uvelile ngoba khona lento.
Yeah.
Angithi yes, angeke phela wena ufuna ukuloku noma ingasekho umsopo.
Yeah, kodwa ke yeah.
Wena ufuna ukuvela. Umsopo ngekho. There was like, God, I need you.
Ucedwe yini umsopo?
No, hayi kuthi umsopa ngibambe I'm preaching.
Oh.
No,
yeah.
Bekuleso sikhathi sokuthi I wanted God to
I understand. Yes. But someone doesn't understand. You wanted God to?
I wanted God to help me.
Yeah.
To angisize iphinde yenzeke lento.
Yeah.
Angazi ngaloku ngivelile manje ebantwini. People do get me. People do get me. Wena ongangizwa.
Sakubona kuma comments. So
but I'm back, guys.
Yeah.
Ezikizinto man.
Yeah. So when you decided to take a break because of bosobona ilento ingasenzeki or you didn't see a need to stay kuma screen anymore and therefore take some time and have time with God.
Not bengasasibona isidingo because I was ministering. Yabo kwezinye indawo. But benginento ethi uNkulunkulu ngifuna ukuthi kube na something different about me.
Yeah.
Which is something that is happening.
Yeah.
But ngiyayibonga kakhulu lento uNkulunkulu angenzela yona mfethu. Uyabonga. Ngiyayibonga kakhulu because I prayed about it and iyabonakala. Iyabonakala izokwenzeka futhi masinyana.
So ubunyamalele kuma screens and everyone noticed that unyamalele.
People noticed.
Yeah, people noticed. And obviously if people notice there are rumors, hey?
Hey, vele tinengi tindzaba ngeTV. Hayi nginezwi.
Zithini ndawo?
Uxoshiwe. Hayi phelile contract. Hayi vele.
Yeah.
Ama comments open up, guys, I'm back. Akubalekanga, I'm back. Ngapha isikolo bengafuni kusibala ke isikolo because I've been singing ngapha ngifunda. Ngapha isikolo uyabona nje bekuningi kakhulu and
bebaxoshile vele.
No, bebangixoshanga.
Bekwenzekeni?
No, why?
No, we need to know what happened to our Namdluli man.
Namdluli is back. That's what is important.
Okay. Okay, mhlambe bangakucoshi but uhambe ungekho mnandi noma. I know ukuthi I understand to will and uThulas naye wherever he's watching he knows ukuthi so will and you guys are fine and you've sorted out all those issues.
Yeah, wena uphuleke.
But kwenzekeni like uhambe ningekho kungasekho mnandi noma bokumnandi just that when I decided to go and be honest.
Why
ngofuna honest?
That's
the reason.
Angizwe
angizwanga lutho. But as I said, rumors obvious.
Angitshela rumors one bethini.
You said ukuthi bathe baxoshile and what not. So that's what I'm asking. Baxoshile?
Amangixoshanga guys.
Oh.
Azange bazi bangixosha.
Yeah.
bengafuni ukuyithinta indaba yami but
no yeah kwenzeke
yo a lot happened guys ngespace esincane yabo
yeah
but now I'm fine.
Was it between you and the other members?
It was between me and God.
No man, I don't feel like, why are you feeling like that now? Okay, fine. But you said when you heard rumors, clear the rumors, man.
No,
it's not
guys.
True. You're not chased away.
Because
okay. All right.
ayikho i-contract isayiniwe so if beyikhona ngibona ukuthi khona i-contract engaphela fast kangaka bafethu because sikhona isivumelwano kufanele ngabe nami lokhu niyangibona kodwa mhlambe not with the team yabo ngikhona angixoshwanga bazalwane bami.
And now hamba kuthula you still had a contact to the other members and you were fine?
Yes, we were fine.
Okay, all right.
But ke besingahlali sonke mhlambe benizobabona babe u3 benizobona
yes true
yeah sometimes benibabona babe u3
buzizwa njani wena yangithatha sorry buzizwa njani kodwa ngakhali
ngiyakhala mina ngiqinile
buzizwa njani kodwa?
No, sometimes I was like, oh mara.
Yeah.
Vele bangishile.
Yes.
Then,
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bengasimnandi khona.
Oh man, this is dope. This is dope. Okay, but now you're back to Thulas MTV and everything it's dope and everything it's nice. You're back to those guys. Now you're going to eat ice cream nonke manje.
Sonke manje.
Yeah.
Manje
sesiniyimbumba manje.
Sesiyimbumba.
Yeah. So kuyenzeka ukuthi mhlambe someone says I want a team at Thulas MTV to come and sing. And therefore who sends an invoice? Is it Thulas M or what happens?
Umuntu masekathi ngifuna iThulas MTV.
Yeah.
That's when we go to Put TV and tell him that basifuna sonke. Then Thulas uyasiyenzela. Mhlambe a communicate nalowo muntu.
Okay.
Or mhlambe loyo muntu ucele kuPhuthulasi.
Yeah.
Ucommunicate noPhuthulasi and then Phuthulasi uye ozosikhulumela ayenze konke then thina sesiya konke kuqondile.
Oh.
Yeah, asiziphathele unless athi umuntu ngicela uNamdluli.
Yes.
Then uNamdlulayo obvious uzozikhulumela kube konke kuyaqonda. Maka siyafuna i-team.
Yeah.
Siyakhuluma ngeThulas MTV.
Yeah, Thulas MTV. Oh.
Yeah, because I'm also a brand.
Yeah. Yes.
We are
a brand.
Yeah.
So what if I say Namdluli man, I want you to come and minister and please ngicela ungihlanganisele uMimi as a brand, ngicela ungihlanganisele uSiphamadla as a brand, ngicela ungihlanganisele uNongcebo as a brand. Therefore uthini hayike manje sekuyithulas aye kumphathi.
No, angisho kanjalo. Angisho kanjalo. Kuya ngomuntu ukuthi uyibeka kanjani because mawuzofuthi ukuthi ngifuna iThulas MTV ibe khona and then that's when we will be like Put TV. And then if yenzekile ngaleyo ndlela leyo oyi1 ngithi mhlambe sibona ipost ukuthi sonke sikhona. O1 ngithi kufanele aye kuPhuthulasi samtsho ukuthi sesibiziwe endaweni nje sisonke and then we are good to go.
But you don't wear those t-shirts the Thulas MTV when you go to gigs. Why? And it's time.
Mfethu sicoka nini? Siyocoka nini amabubu dress? Siyocoka nini? Sometimes
no sifuna ngale t-shirt eyellow le blue no uyena.
Umuntu akhe invite athi ngicela uqole skip esiyeni. Lesi seThulas MTV abangithembi. Abangithembe bandle ngicela ukuthi ufake lesi skip esimnyama. Yeah. Ufake neteki uphole. Bazalwane lapho ngifuna ukuthi kanjani bazalwane.
Ufuna bagcwalisele ukuthi
phela iwardrobe ikhona nje. Bazalwane.
Man, this is nice, man. Yeah, and you have an event, man. Let us worship with Namdluli. Yeah, and it's been happening, hey. Can't you wait a massive singer 3 2?
This is the third one.
Oh, there's a third one that is coming. Okay.
The third one is coming.
Yeah, good.
We are cooking something.
Yeah.
I am cooking something.
Good. So, what's up? Usebenza nabo banda? like I mean the team, the Let Us Worship with Namdluli team. Do you have a team management? What's happening?
Let Us Worship with Namdluli.
Yeah.
Akunamuntu ozothi ayimi umgogodlo wayo.
Oh.
Or ozothi yimi isandla sawo.
Yeah.
Or ozothi yimi engalight umatches
ichaba
fethu. Ingaziningi leyo nto ngiyahlala. Kodwa Let Us Worship iqale 2023.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was Anisidumisi.
Oh.
I've realized that as Abadumisi we need something, or we need an event la khona sizobiza khona abantu abadala.
Yes.
Basifundise ngendumiso, because we are worshiping, hence we don't understand the worship.
Yes.
So njalo ngonyaka siyahlangana singabadumisi. That's why uzobona kugcwele abadumisi.
Yes.
Kodwa kukhona nabantu abadala abazofundisa abadumisi ngendumisi, because we worship mara singa understand ukuthi what is worship.
Oh.
So it wozani sizodumisi. Let us worship with
Namdluli. Yeah. And who are we having, man, this year? Plus man society kancane nje. Hey, zabe stobani. Surprise.
I think it's harder.
Yeah.
But date abazalwane mabayibambe 4th October 2025.
Yes.
Red carpet yaqala ngo-11.
Who's doing the red carpet?
Who's doing the red carpet kanjani? Yabona ke manje ukhipha amahlazo because ngiyaqala post the red carpet. Yenziwa njani?
No.
Kuthiwa kanti kuthiwa coming. What is happening there?
No, Angiti, you know, we as KKFM, we do that, right?
Okay.
There's a red carpet, and therefore we get to interview artists, we get to interview everyone. We do the red carpet interviews, basically. Okay, so if Bati, there's if we're watching this red carpet from this time till this time, nangifika this
nasisusi. Oh. Entrance yabantu bangena red carpet.
Sorry.
Ngo-11 guys, I'm saying ngo-12 red carpet. Ngo-12 inkonzo yedumisi yaqala. Singamnaki lo bhuti. Alright.
Yes, man. And you said the 4th, right?
Yes, on the 4th of October.
Zabuna band? Makatar?
Lutho ke. Count me out of that. Count me out. Ngifuna uzuthu. Into enamandla.
Yeah.
Angisho ukuthi lokho amathina ngiwafuna ngiwacela.
Akadabadla.
Ayayayay. Ngifuna into enamandla. Ngifuna iphotamento.
Wayibiza ngegama.
Ngifuna iphotamento.
Ayibiza ngegama. So are you on you're just singing eternity kuphela?
Yebo. Kodwa ke ngiyaye emabandleni Nkosi yami ufike kukhathi thini kuduqu.
Yes. And you must wenza manje na ufika lapho bathi hey guys asinethendeni, try to find something modulated.
I worship.
Yeah.
Ngiyafika and I
worship with them.
Yeah.
With glory. Yeah.
I try, guys.
Yeah.
Akukho nzima just ukuthi nje kuzokhala amathini, get something that I'm not used to.
Yeah. Ish. What did you say, man, about Itende and the contemporary? Okay, is there something to say?
Literally, there's nothing.
Yeah.
But ngingathi mina ngithanda kakhulu ngapha.
Yeah.
Enkonzweni yesinto.
Yes.
Ila khona ungakhona ukwenza yonke into ushowcase everything,
because
mina ngiyamemeza and into yami ayifuni into epholile kupholiwe lapha yana kufanele uphole manje angikwazi ukuphola kunento
it's very
zikhale ukuthi izivele zikhale right now.
Would you say you connect better to God ngetende than the band?
Ngilutho ke mntaka baba. Kulikuli ngiyaconnecta nangaye kungakhali itende kamereni. Yonke indawo I connect with God. As long ngimenyiwe. First thing first. I minister. At home. Ngomthandazo. Ngicela uNkulunkulu ukuthi angisize ukuthi la ngisuke ngingazi phela ukuthi kudlala amathini. Ngifikela kwithada. And then I worship. ngihlale phansi but ngibonga mangale nje ithini likhalelo likhalile ngithi 4 songs ayibo ngigcine sengiyehla ngithi ayingeke
so hayi okubhadelile ngeke yena okubhadelile
uzobona umama namdlula uhlobelela ingoma yakho.
So if bakumema you don't ask ukuthi guys is it are you nishayithende lapho or nisha amagatara, you don't ask that.
Kuba ngathi great man mase uzofika manje sokuthi ukuthi do you have e500
no
kuba ngathi manje ke wena ungidlula mithi manje sikumali banake wena ke manje bayihayariza no. I just go and serve God because I understand ukuthi mhlambe makhona invite engenayo khona into uNkulunkulu afuna ukuthi ngisho lapho
kulawubani.
So manje mase ngizobenza babe uncomfortable ke ngemibuzo ke manje keyboard yamathini. No, that's wrong and I won't do that.
Is it you trying to be humble or is it you trying to qogelela the all this sense
right now?
I mean you going like not asking what guys are doing tender or what, or not having any demands. Is it because well I want a gig, or is it because I don't wanna I don't wanna be like I'm too proud.
No. As I've said, ngithi mina whenever I receive an invite, I take it as ngithatha ngokuthi uNkulunkulu kunento afuna ukuyisho. Kulabo bantu labo namdluli. So that's why when I get invites I pray ngithi uNkulunkulu as I'm going there angeke phela ngiloko ngibuza ukuthi ngizoba inconvenience. So I'm trying by all means ukuthi ngizama ukusebenzisana nabo ngaloko kukhona ukuthi manje sekufanele ngiquestion kwangathi content ngizoyenza nge500 ibe khona ke 500
uvele kuthule ukuthi
qwa ayihlalele phansi abazalwana ngicela 500 nayi khonza nayo
uthule ukuthi du
because manje phela wena uzoye ngokundlondlobala
so what I wanted to ask ukuthi ke when if you go to since you don't ask if they ke ukuthi ke wena ke what keyboard are you using and what not, do you check the security, or do you ask guys send me a page lane so that I can see guys how big are you? Some people they do that. No, some people they do that. Guys wanna see.
That's so wrong. But into engicelayo igama lebandla.
Okay.
Mhlambe ke nama title wama social media wabo. So that I can see ukuthi into kanjani. Yazi I reason ukuthi ngicheck venue or mhlambe ngicela indawo. I'm very tall.
Okay.
Tall umkhukhu ne?
Eish.
And then ngiyalifaka ke mina kwakwa. Then mangena ngiyagoba. And then angiphathanga impahla incathulo eziphansi or ngiziphetha ama slippers sokuba ngathi shem usithatha kanjani kanti yivenue. So and then that's why ngicela ini ama details wama social media wabo for that. And then ke igama lebandla for when I'm praying ukuthi as I'm going to stand on the altar bandla thizeni I pray for each and every. And then have you ever got a gig and therefore you pray about it and then God say no, don't go there? Kuyazenzakalela mfethu kuyazenzakalela because ezinye izinto mina zingifici njengamanye ama-altar ukuthi kwezinye indawo nje kusebenziswe ezinye izinto engayisebenzisi bafethu alihlanganiswa levangeli alihambi nento zakhona yingakho ngeke ngithole inkonzweni enjalo ngoba ayihambelani. So kuyazenzakalela ukuthi singa
or ngafiki to the point of they invite you
iphelele ekuthenini how do you work and then ngisho ukuthi ngisebenza kanjani and then ayibona ukuthi cha ayifani ayihambelani eminye imimoya
yes
iyabona nje akusizi ukuthi ingowe deep angizwe
no we have our viewers there abakhulile abangakakhuli
ngiyofika kuyo indawo engiyofika kuyo because ayihambelani angikwazi ukuminister endaweni la nithengisa khona into uyabona inamandla imisebenzi
so if akubiza you already know that God approved it
yes if sengifikelela ukuthi kusasa ngiyakhona cha kwenzekile mfana kusho ukuthi yiyo and then makungasiyo endleleni
so
akusimo khuluma kuyozenzakalela.
Speaking about it, there's a show that you came to Mpumalanga and you experienced issues with transport. What can you say about that since you say endleleni?
Lapho phela bekuyisimo mfethu. Lapho bekuyisimo yazi. Ziyenzeka izinto but khona le nami ngibona. Khona le bona obvious ukuthi ayicala ukuthi bengafanele ngiyo. Ay. And then engibona ukuthi I know. It's just Satan attacking us. Ukuthi singafiki lapha ayigcine.
Esanlinda yo.
Luckily bekuyinight prayer.
Wena ufika sicedile.
Anifika lapha abantu uzana sebasheka kancane bandla.
Sisikhathele.
But iyenzeka shem ukuthi Satan attack and kuyenzeka ukuthi uNkulunkulu akuvikele. Isebenza kanjalo.
In an industry man, you're dealing with a lot of people. You're dealing with I can say mostly you're dealing with okay I don't know if I'm right when I'm saying mostly, but you're dealing with pastors. What's your experience, man, with dealing with pastors? Male pastors. Male pastors.
Unjani siyakumema. Agcina kumeme. Usho leyo nto. Agcina kumeme. That's why ngithi zazenzakalela. Mase ungumema uphinde ukufuna ukungumema. Ayenze. Akube khona umema kuGod.
Yeah. So benzani bakumema bese bakumema. Yeah. So how do you deal with that situation?
Mina ngiyablock. Mina ngiyadelete. Mina inkinga yami futhi nokukhuluma ngithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu. Ngithanda ukwenza kakhulu. Because mangisoza uchaza ukuthi umfundisi akufanelanga wenze kanje. Ubumfundisi ufanele utshelwe yimi.
Yeah. So is it both married and unmarried they mema you, eh?
Oh, weme. Sala. And abanye nje umuzi umuntu ukuthi athi ayiwena kodwa angikuphiwe ini why ungasebenzi kanje ezinye ingane ziyenza ba
nini ingane nenzani
ezinye ingane ziyenza manje mina ngenze njani ngenze
umemeke nawe
mina cha bandla ngiyabasiza ngoba manje ngiyamdelete ngoba ucikwa ukuthi uyangibona ngisho ngiyamcisha ukuthi ngcona ngibona
so why umcisha are you married?
No, I'm not married. Okay, and I'm ngeke kodwa
kusho nawe
khona ngibona ukuthi wrong ngeke futhi
uyibona kanjani ukuthi wrong
ngeke ukuthi ushadile awu kodwa bafethu
have you ever been tempted, man, to accept one offer that you've got that hey Mount Luli here, man?
No, I've never. Because ngiyazi ukuthi ngifuna mfethu. Angikwazi ukuvuma konke. Because manje kune 1.5 etafuleni sekufanele ngivume konke. Lutho. Lutho. Bafundisa nimeni kodwa. Because neyimosha into yabantwana. Nayimosha indaba yemusic industry.
Yes.
Yimbi kakhulu lapho unomfazi endlini wena ubhizi nengane uyithembisa 1.5. 1.5 imali nami engayikhona ukuyithola ekhaya. So akusho ukuthi ngoba wena unayo manje sozongithemtha ngayo ne 2.5 into engayithola ekhaya. Kodwa ke manje no mfethu sesiphoxo sesibethu ke
ithembisa zabo zithini noma kuthembisa abantu bathi
obvious phela assurance ukuthi every month wena ke unegige lithi wena unegige lithi wena lapho yazi ukuthi
Yo.
That's why mina ngithi angeke iziyenze.
Inhloko mayiphomile you are sorted. Imali yama Uber.
Kamanye yami ngeteksi angisho ukukhuluma ngibusisi.
Yeah,
abo sesibethu bahlulwa ukubekezela.
Yeah,
because manje uzofakaza uthini ebantwini ngoba wena uthema ufika wabe boom.
Yeah.
So ufikile. Kanti iqala kahle.
Yeah.
Uzothola ubufakazi obu-right.
Yeah.
Because angeke wena uthi hayi.
So I know mhlambi you didn't know, but do you think it happens gibo mama kuphela, or are there because we have the prophetess and abafundisi abomama, do you think it happens also on their side ukuthi mfana wami uzoqula man and
yeah
and bakumeme futhi
phela ngisomfana kodwa mhlawumbe ingenzeka ya
uthi ingenzeka ngeke
ingenzeka man ngingangisi umuntu wesilisa but ngiyayizwa
yeah
khona umuntu ongayifakazela leyo nto leyo ukuthi yeah I want it.
Guys fakaz if maybe you've got invited and got invited as a guy yeah
ayoniyenzeka bafethu kodwa ayikho inhle. Ayikho inhle.
But man, let's talk about the guy who's single, who is a pastor, and who has a dream, man, of having this spirit-filled woman, someone who understands the ministry, someone who believes, who has the same religion as, because like not all. I don't think all. I don't think all young lions they have a mentality of playing women and all that. Some they have mentality. Man, I just want the woman, man, that I can just get married to. So, what about those? Because I refuse to believe that you only get a proposal from the married ones. Do you get the ones from those who are single?
But manje ke uba umprofeti njani ungakashadi? Ngicela ukubuza ayikabi. Not ukuthi ku wrong, but angisho kuthiwa kuyashadwa. Manje angeke ungikwazi ukuntsho ukuthi umprofeti usethi yena akakashadi thini? No, hayi phela mfethu uyabuza ngeke baba. Hayi.
No. So manje uthina ngabaprofeti nabo apostoli abangashadi.
No, angisho lutho kodwa sengifikelwa umbuzo othi kufike kanjani because kuyaba ne background mhlawumbe ngisho but ke angazi kodwa ke mina
okay omunye ke I don't know if laba bakhona but he's not akagcotshwa but he does preach and hostela man namdluli, can you please come to my event and can you please come again?
Yo mara. Okay, ake ngithi kuya nange proposal
ozangayo. Okay, yeah.
Cause angisho obvious ukhuluma nami kwi profile yakho yangempela.
Yes.
I will check you.
Oh, okay.
Ngicheke yonke into. Angisho ukuthi ngizovuma. Ngisho ukuthi ngizokuchecka, ngicheke nokuthi uzangamupha umoya.
Yeah.
You understand? And then mangihluleka ukuphendula, ngigisa kumfundisi.
Oh.
Yeah, ngigisa kumfundisi.
Uyenza umfundisi manje?
Na phela angisho wena uthi kimi wena u serious. Yeah, ma u serious ngikuyisa kumfundisi. Cause nina anifuni ukwaliwa and mina angifuni.
Oh, so umala ngendlela ukuthi ihambe kumfundisi.
So mafia umfundisi uyangivalela by the end.
Yeah.
Because mina mangizosho uzothi hawu sister lunch.
Yeah.
Sister dinner.
Yeah.
Kanti ke mangizothi hayi bandla. Zobona thi ngiyadlala.
But man, in the industry of Itende, I can say that you've played your part or you're big. Why haven't you been good? People have not been. Have you ever wanted to be? It's one of the big institutions, eh?
I think season 2.
Oh, you were there.
I was there as a backing vocalist.
Oh, serious?
Yeah. I'm not sure. Yeah, but I think it's season 2. La Great is Green. Not sure. I once auditioned to there and then.
Cut it, bro. Yeah.
Okay, man. Like I once auditioned.
Yeah.
Season 2. Last Great is Green.
Oh.
Got audition and then I went through. Ngangena kwi backing vocalist and then it was a great experience.
Yeah.
Yeah. yabona sihamba nje indaweni, and then season 3, that's when I cut
the
road. Why?
People they don't do 2 seasons. I wonder why. No one does 2 seasons. It's only the few people.
Kuya ngesinqumo somuntu, I guess.
Oh, okay.
But bakhona abantu
it's only few. It's only few.
Only few. Okay, yeah. I get. But no, mina season 3 bese ngiqala phela i-Letters Worship.
Oh.
And ngiyacabanga ukuthi azange ngize ngibuze ke inkinga. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe kune contract ukuthi you can't start your own thing while you are there. But let's do it. Okay. Njengoba ngizoqala into nje angihlehle ngapha. Kuze eyam nayo izohamba.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi khona mhlambe into 10, but because I'm starting something.
Oh.
Yeah.
How was the experience, man?
It was good. It was good because bengisazama man lokhu ngibona yonke into kancane kulungisa i-stage phambi kwethu yonke lento le, all the preparations, like ama rehearsals now and then, traveling, ministering. Laphana bengcono ke I was backing. Yinto engijabulisa kakhulu because if I was leading ngiyasaba kahle ngisizovalo. It's not easy standing in the podium and be like ingcwele inkosi, not ukuthi nginamahloni, but inamandla lento.
Was it before iThulas or it was after?
Angazi ngizothina,
but it was same time
because I think bengikhona na. Hi man, it was after.
It was after.
Yeah, it was after.
Okay.
It was after. Yeah, it was after.
Yes. Oh, and then
waqala fika indaba setende, then waqula leyo season. Isathi papa, and then ngangena go Thulas.
Hey, uNkulunkulu bekayo kasemsebenzini nalezo nkathi ne.
Yamiyeka kukodwa. Asikathi angizama.
That's dope, man. That's Namdluli for you. And you spoke about school. Are you still in high school or tertiary?
I'm at tertiary. I'm at tertiary doing a management assistant.
Okay.
But now I'm currently done. Ngibe nenkinga ke yamehlo esikolweni.
Okay.
And obviously ile computer awukwazi uyibona
ungaboni.
Then I had to take a break for that.
Okay.
Ezinye izinto zimbi. But ngiyayithemba inkosi.
But you're still busy with school currently?
I'm planning to do so because ilihlo lami selingcono. Nginenkinga yamehlo. So ngiye ngaphoza kancane, but ayibaleka ngaleyo ndlela, but fanele ngisho ngoba umunye uzothi kunene lokethu uyafunda engayazi background ukuthi ngabe mhlambe sengiyagraduate, but now because amehlo wami every time when I'm trying to apply apply ngithi ngiyobhala amehlo wami anginikeze a problem, ngingaboni, ngifaile, ngiphase ne, but when I have to top up ama
results
kufike ngivele ngingaboni kube njani emehlweni, and then fail obvious. Then after failing ngizame futhi, but I don't know what's the problem.
You're planning to go back to school. Now you're busy with music. Is there anything that you're doing other than music currently?
No. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. That's Namdluli, man. Live on KKFM, man. This was a dope one, and you had her and the background and whatnot, and then oh man, this mic now and abafundisi and uguti the invite and the invites.
Hey, the invitations are plenty, man.
Yeah.
Singabuyela. But
I'm tempted. Was so bad.
I know, man. No.
What can you say to a woman from this?
I love them so much.
Yeah.
Because
as well.
No, angibazweli, but ngiyabathanda.
Okay.
Yeah, ngiyabathanda kakhulu.
Yeah. Live on KKFN, man. That's the wrap of our episode today with Namdluli. Let's discuss with KKFM, man. We had Namdluli today, and we believe that the episode, it was very helpful. It was very knowledgeable. Is it knowledgeable? But whatever the word it is. And if I may ask, where to from here? You have a career of music. Are you planning on taking it to the next level? What's your plan? Are you planning to record an EP? Are you planning to record an album? What's your plan, man?
Kuningi ekhanda lami ngiswele umuntu ongangilekelela because I have a lot yabona into eziningi but ke into ekhona kwamanje ukuthi kwangathi uNkulunkulu angangisiza iLet Us Worship ibe something.
Yes.
Yabo because njengoba manje kuseason 3 ikwazi ukuthi igcine ifike yaziwe ifike kulezi ngalokuthi wonke umuntu ufisa ukuba ingcenye yayo bangilekelele mhlawumbe ngizithole sengirecorda ama
upcoming artists live recording.
Yes, some live recordings ngikwazi nami ukuthi ngitholakale kuma Spotify yonke lezo ndawo lezo ngiswela amandla ngiswele nendlela ngiswele nolwazi mangingathola ulwazi ukuthi yonke leyo nto yenziwa kanjani I think ngabe nami ngifikile because yonke into I know ukuthi idinga imali ngale ngiyitholayo bengayenza something but now ngiswele ulwazi and ku music industry mangenalwazi uzoloku uziculele lapha ku TikTok.
So who's funding the Let Us Worship with Namdluli?
I am funding ngiyadlala. We don't have funds but I am capable of any anything
that
yonke into nje ehlangene ne Let Us Worship I am.
Do you need any funding?
If uNkulunkulu uyangithanda ngalendlela engimazi ngithanda ngayo I'd be happy to be funded. Yabona hayi ngaleyo ndlela but abantu babe ingcenye ungangifandi bese uyangishiya. Be part of us. Yabo
angakufandi bese uyakufanda.
If imali yakhe ihamba nokufanda come on ngiyayithemba inkosi because angeke ngiqalise into ingeke iziphelelise yabo konke nje ngiyazi ukuthi when I've started something God will end it.
So do you have a plan of you recording as uNamdluli, not Let Us Worship, but as uNamdluli having your own album?
That's why ngithi kuningi okusekhanda ngiswele ulwazi nokuthi how are we starting ke
hayibo wayekuma nje umuntu osegive upile
no hayi ukuthi ngigive upile but anginalwazi lokuthi if ufuna ukurecorda kanje this is how you do it, this is where you apply. Obviously ngishebhalisa ingoma but I don't know ukuthi kanjani and how is the process, the procedure and all of that. Ngifisa ulwazi.
Do you ask?
I do ask. I do ask kodwa abanye bazothi hayi umusa.
Ngibona njalo
at its grace the Lord God help me, Jesus help me. Kanjani ngoba manje ngibuza ukuthi wenze kanjani, how did you manage to do i-recording yakho iphelele? God. Jesus did. God. People are so
information they don't want to give out the information. And lastly, man, what's your last words before we go there? What can you say about gospel industry? You've been in a gospel industry. What can you say about it?
Okay, thingathi lapha kwangathi angisekho khona. Ku music industry or we gospel industry. Kufuneka umuntu oyazi into ayifunayo because you can't be there and wanting something else because kufanele understand into ekuwe into enjani ebekiwe kuwe and then uhambe phezukwayo ungafuni ukopela omunye umuntu because if you want to sing like usisindi Ntombela manje akusese uNamdluli sekusisi Ntombela wasetemu kanti ngabe uyenza into yakho ukuze abantu bazokwazi ukuthi yabona lo manje uNamdluli yes muthande and umbongele but manje sufuna ukuba uye yes mthanda umbongele kodwa abantu bazokuthandela ukuthi wena uwe be yourself ungaloku forcelela ukuba uNamdluli.
That's the word of the day, man, from Unamdluli. And that's we are wrapping our episode today with Unamdluli. And we hopefully, man, you enjoyed the episode, and just like and follow and subscribe both KKFM and Unamdluli. How do you contact you, man, if you want to host you or we just want to follow your music? How do you contact you? How do we follow you on social media platforms?
Okay, you can follow me on YouTube. You know YouTube, Nonhlanhla Mdluli.
Yeah.
And then you Nomungathi Namdluli.
Yes.
Uzovela page lam on YouTube.
Yes.
TikTok, Cynthia Nonhlanhla Mdluli. Facebook, everywhere you can get hold of me in any digital platforms.
Yes.
Because ngiyaphendula ke nakuma message kuma inbox. I am so quick ngendlela isimanga ungamangala ukuthi lo muntu irobot. Because angithandi lento kuba great.
Chance niyazo nilalela.
But ngiyaphuthuma shambala ngiyamputhuma no hey kodwa engahambi yedwa bandla kwangathi after hey kungaba na something but ke ngiyatholakala kalula futhi namdluli ngicokhuluma nawe ngicela number yakhe ikhona lapha kwi bio yami on TikTok uzoyithola ne-email yonke into yami seduze.
Where are you going from here? Do you have a gig guide?
Angiyenzi yompahla fanele nginokubona ngiyasela kodwa ziningi izinto abantu abasenza engazenzi because but I know where I'm going. Yabo ukuthi this week nana but ngitho ngihleli phansi ke manje sengithi no
you know awusaleli, it's professional
and professional abantu mina
why ngofuna professional
mina ngiyazi ukuthi next week ngiyamanguzi ngiyazi ukuthi
but abantu abazi they want to follow you, they want to go where Namdluli is.
That's why I'm posting on my platforms.
Oh, so people must follow
I'm
you.
I'm making a video like someone guys, I invite you to the certain church.
Yes.
This and that. But these days I'm posting as go to again. Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah.
Ngikubuya mara.
Ngikubuya industry. Bobo saphuza amanzi.
Yeah, man. Ngikubuya. I'm coming.
That's Namdluli, man. That's a return of Namdluli. Live on KKFM, man, and we really appreciate your time coming to KKFM.
Thank you so much.
We feel honored, and we really appreciate. We really appreciate. Asithandi kancane into senzele yona to have Unamdluli on our platform. Everyone, or I believe that some platforms they wish to have you on their platform, but we heard you. We thank God about that. See podcast ekholwayo ke tinake. Can't load. That's why we say we thank God about ukuthi you agreed to come to our podcast, and that's how we wrap it. I know Dallas rap, but we'd like to hear you say KKFM Vukandota.
KKFM Vukandota.
Drop the mic.